Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Liz and this is Home Decorating with Liz. Today I am participating in a collaboration and it's called Summer DIY Collab. And this is hosted by Crafty Kitty, and I will link her channel down below in the description box, as well as a copy of the playlist, the link. She wants us to share some type of summer DIY, whether you can put it on your wall, put it on a table, or display it outside. So that's what I will be doing. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, let's get started. The items you will need for this very simple and quick DIY are 3 flowers. They're actually roses. I have 1 pink one, 1 yellow one, and 1 white one. I have 3 candles. 1 is already burnt, as you can see. And in the back I have 3 glasses. So I am ready to get started with this DIY, so let's get started. Okay, the very first thing that I'm going to do is turn the wine glasses upright. Okay, they're all, I'm going to center them the way I want them. That's how I'm going to have them, but I need to first start working on the glasses, so it doesn't really matter too much about how I'm going to have them placed right now. First thing I'm going to do, this is very simple and quick, you guys. I'm going to be adding a rose inside of each glass, and then I'm going to turn it upside down, and I'm going to be adding a candle right on top. That's it. It's just that simple. So let me go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm going to first start off with the pink rose because pink is one of my favorite colors. And I will begin by placing the rose inside of the glass. Just drop it down in there as best that I can. And what you want to do is try to get the rose to stay upright. I'm going to try my best not to have it slanted or leaning to the side. And it looks like it is leaning to the side. So I just go ahead and adjust it. Okay, I'm going to add the yellow flower next. And next, the white one. Okay, now I'm going to turn the glasses . Okay, I will be right back with the reveal. Alright everyone, here is my summer DIY. I have it beautifully displayed on this bling tray. I hope you guys have enjoyed my summer DIY. I thought it turned out really cute. Thank you so much, Crafty Kitty, for hosting this collaboration. This was so much fun, and I want to thank you all for watching, and you guys have an awesome day. Bye.